Hello everybody. I got me a box of rocks in the mail today from my good friend Jeff Head. I was due for some good butterscotch. Some good butterscotch Flint River Coastal Plains Chert from Georgia. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing video here, and then I'm gonna just grab a piece out of here and get to chipping on it. I had a request to make a Hardin, and a Hardin's one I've been wanting to make for quite a while. I've tried a couple of them, but never made one I was happy with. So I think most of this is going to be raw. If not all of it. Which is fine with me. Oh, what have you gone and done here, Mr. Jeff? Daggone, buddy. I don't know what I did to deserve that. I think that's jasper. That's a giant slab of Georgia jasper. Holy smokes. Are you guys seeing this? I guess help if I had you pointing in the right direction. Check this out, man. Wowee. That thing's as thick as a countertop. Thanks, Jeff. I appreciate that, man. Wowee. That is awesome. I think I'll be setting that one aside. No Hardin today out of that. Yeah, he definitely knew what I liked. He asked me what I wanted, and in a roundabout way, I just said, you know what I like. That's basically exactly what I told him. You know what I like, Jeff. Send me that stuff. He did, too. I love these big tabular pieces of this butterscotchy stuff, man. It's just, he's got a lot of really great material right now, guys. If you need material, if you're looking for some good, he's got this butterscotch, and he's got the chocolate swirl. It's got the dark swirls in it, and he's got the Georgia jasper. He's got a wide variety of that, different types of coastal plains chert and the jasper. But this is all just butterscotch stuff, mostly. That's a really cool piece. Thanks, Jeff. I appreciate that. It gets this lighter colored material in it mixed throughout it sometimes. I like that stuff. It gives it neat character. That's a beautiful piece there. I wonder if that's heat treated. It might be. Yeah. I believe it is. It's a little bit glossy in there. Awesome. Well, that'd probably make it pretty Hardin, wouldn't it? If I could pull it off. Okay, let's work with this one. I think you guys see the the quality of the stone. Man, oh man. Gee whiz, what a piece there. Golly. That's some high quality stuff right there, you guys. Light's trying to make it all the way through the corner of that thing right there. Man, that's gorgeous. All this stuff is. See, that's got a little bit of that chocolate swirl in it, like I was telling you. killer stuff. Man, this is a killer box. Thanks, Jeff. Oh my goodness. You really hooked it up, brother. So, if you guys have been hanging around for a while, you guys know who Jeff Head is. He lives down in Albany, Georgia. That's where this stuff comes from, and he got some killer rock, and he's very reasonable on his prices. Beautiful stuff. Even threw a little bonus piece of jasper in there. A couple in there for me. He knows I like that too. Oh, wow. Man, look at the drusies. Look at the druzy in this thing. This camera just doesn't get the sparkle like you get with your naked eye. Got something else going on over here, some kind of deposit or buildup. It didn't quite crystallize like the other one did. Some pretty stuff. Pretty stuff. All right, let's get to chipping.